Wait for it, my neighbor's dog is stuck in the matrix, cuteness overload.
Catchy, nett, ins schön die Beißen. Nein, ey, ey, sag mal. Oh, das stört das gar nicht aus. Was ist mit dir?
These two never run out of ways to keep busy.
Holy smokes, this little guy wants a refund on life, I can't even.
Stay. Libby, stay. Stay!
Yo, this animal is plotting revenge, same bro same.
What are you doing?
Looks like they're just living their best life.
What is wrong with you?
Ha, that husky is judging you silently, same bro same.
No, but I will if you don't do it.
Check this out, the puppy is plotting revenge, I can watch this all day. Guys, my neighbor's
Sloths
dog is
only come
vibing
down
too
about
hard,
once a
10
week,
out of 10.
Usually just for a bathroom break. This little one paused by the trail in Costa Rica, gave a curious look, then slowly climbed back to the canopy.
Will it bite me?
Can you believe this golden retriever has 0 brain cells, 10 out of 10? Okay, but that husky thinks he is a human. What a meme. Bro, the doggo is downloading a new update. Same bro same.
The kind of nap we all wish we had.
Man, this animal is downloading a new update. Cuteness overload. Guys, this potato wants a refund on life, so funny.
Huh? Huh?
Yo, this cat is judging you silently, legendary.
Happy birthday to you.
Honestly, that husky has 0 brain cells, so funny.
Yeah, I see. That's a good baby.
Listen, this potato is dancing, best thing ever.
Pretty sure he's drafting a letter.
Come on, it's just snow.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Check this out, the pet forgot how to walk, too wholesome.
Huh?
Check this out, the boss is downloading a new update, Emotional Damage.
You're not coming in. I'll grab your little toesy. You'll grab him. You're deadly.
Check this out, that kitten is glitching, cuteness overload. I swear, the puppy regrets everything, my brain hurts. Check this out, the pet is questioning reality, what a meme.